Hi aspirants, welcome to my channel UPSC Buddha. Each day, one or two questions will be provided along with the answers, and here the answer given is elaborate, and aspirants need to answer according to the questions demand. And today's topic is iron dome system. We may expect this iron dome system in 10 mark, either in GS2 in international relation or in GS3 security. It is fully fact-based question, and aspirants we need to just mug up these questions. Recently, why in news is because Israel's Iron Dome aerial defense system intercepted Hamas unmanned aerial vehicle manufactured by Rafael, and it is in service with Israel. And Iron Dome is it is a multi-mission system, and it is very short-range air defense system, and it is also a all-weather system, and it consists of a battery and a battle management control unit, detection, tracking radar, and a firing unit, and with the 20 interceptor missiles each. And here the important advantage is it can able to calculate whether the incoming missile will fall in the build-up area or not. So this will prevent unnecessary interception of the rockets. It has two variants, that is I-Dome, which is a truck variant, that is mobile variant, and C-Dome, which is naval variant, and can be deployed in the ships. They provided newspaper images, and if possible, we can able to draw the map, that is Israel and Palestine. And also, if possible, we can able to draw this animation map as a representative diagram by just a line diagram. And there is some limitations. Every system has some saturation point, so above that saturation point it can't able to defend the incoming missile systems. So the same problem exists here. And also it is only a very short range, and it will not work for the long range. Short range in the sense it's just a 5 to 7 kilometers. And also cost of interception is very high, and India also having such related equipment weapons, equivalent weapons. For example, S-400 Triumph, designed by Russia, and it is yet to be delivered by Russia to India, and other is Prithvi air missile systems. Thus the question ends, aspirants. And each day one or two questions will be provided along with the answers. Here the answers given is very elaborate. Answers must be according to the questions demand. And if you need any improvement in my delivery style, please comment in comment section. It is a free initiative, so please use of it. Please subscribe to get regular daily updates. All the best.